Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best grill set that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Anpro Grilling Accessories Grill Kit Grill Set. As an everything kit that comfortably transitions between the grill and kitchen, the Anpro 21-piece grilling accessories set is easily the most valuable kit in this review. The average size of a spatula head in this review is 19 sq. inches. The Anpro spatula only measures 11.25 sq. inches. Although this might seem counterproductive for grilling tools, hear us out. Slightly smaller utensils are actually much more versatile since you can bring them into the kitchen and have a spatula that is actually small enough to also use in a sauté pan. Similarly, tools like the basting brush can easily transition to other uses, like baking. Unlike other sets in this review, we appreciate that this Anpro kit includes 8 skewers instead of only 2, plenty to realistically make a meal of grilled kebabs. As with many inexpensive products, some quality is sacrificed to keep the price down. The Anpro tools have the shortest handles, at just under 14 inches. Despite advertising claims of exceptional durability, testing revealed their construction to be surprisingly flimsy. This is particularly an issue for tools like the grill brush. The neck is thin enough that we could imagine it snapping if you accidentally applied too much pressure while cleaning your grill grates. But if you remain aware of their lightweight design and treat them with care, this fully stainless steel set should enjoy a long life of culinary creation. Number 2, Home Complete HC1000 BBQ 16PC Grill Set. An overall good alternative to our winner. Most of the positive things that can be said about this set can be said about the Cuisinart set, and it even comes in at a cheaper price. The main difference, the spatula. It's a lot lower quality and would be better replaced with something else. This is a noticeably cheaper version of the set above, though the fact that it costs roughly half of what our winner does makes this forgivable. What you get out of it is okay, but everything is just a bit subpar. The spatula is thin, with huge and unwieldy serrations on the side, and the tongs are just a bit too thin, making them awkward to use until properly stretched out over time. The skewers are very long and thin though, making it easy to skewer huge amounts of food with them, which is nice. The grill brush is good, with a great scraper on it and a good replacement head as well. The corncob skewers are functionally identical to our winners, which is nice, and the carrying case is nicely long and thin this time. Overall, this set is not nearly the greatest around, but for the price you really can't complain too much about what you get. What we really liked was the heat-resistant metal handles that won't crack or wear down, like some plastic or wooden handles. In its handsome aluminum hard case, this set makes a nice gift and works well at its price point. Number 3, Griller's Grill Set Heavy Duty BBQ Accessories. A smaller set, but no less high quality. Arguably each of the individual pieces here is better, but it's a significantly smaller set. The spatula in particular here stands out, with a serrated side for cutting and a built-in bottle opener. Well worth getting if you only need the basics. The tongs are one of the big standouts here, with great flexibility, extremely comfortable handles, and a super thick heavy-duty stainless steel construction. The spatula and fork and likewise excellent. The fork is super thick with a nice notch where the forks meet the stalk of the handle, giving you a good amount of grippiness and the strength to lift even very heavy meats. The spatula is a bit longer than usual, but wide enough to be great and thick enough to flip anything you want. The bottle opener is also a nice touch. The basting brush, besides the thick construction, is really nothing special, just well made and sturdy. Altogether, this set commands a pretty high price, but for what they tout as the last pair of tongs you'll ever need, it's not bad at all, with a lifetime replacement guarantee if they break and excellent durability overall. If you're looking for just an all-around good set of tools with no gimmicks and no fancy extras, you cannot go wrong with this set. As they say, it is everything you need and nothing you don't, making it the perfect minimalist tool set. Number 4, Cuisinart CGS 5020 BBQ Tool Aluminum Carrying Case. An overall quite solid grill tools set. While no individual piece is the absolute highest quality around, they're quite good overall and most importantly come in at a very reasonable price for a complete set of tools. The nice steel carrying case is just the icing on the cake, easily bundling up all your tools for simple storage. This is an excellent barbeque tool set, both in terms of the variety and quality of the individual pieces within it. It's all contained in quite a good steel case which latches and provides a convenient way to store these tools out of the way and travel with them wherever you want to go. The two most interesting features are the spatula and meat fork. Let's start with the spatula. It is perfectly sized, thickly constructed of stainless steel, and has an included bottle opener, which is nice. The front edge is nicely beveled to give it extra sharpness. This is good for both light slicing and getting up under whatever you need to flip. Meanwhile, the left edge is serrated, giving you a great cutting edge for certain kinds of foods. The fork is even more interesting, working well as a standard meat fork, of course, but also doubles as a meat probe with a pair of durable probes. The controls are located conveniently on the handle and makes it very easy to quickly test the internal temperature of what you're cooking and then transfer it directly to a plate. Number 5. ROMANTICIST 28-piece BBQ Accessories Set. The ROMANTICIST is a whopper when it comes to price versus value. With 28 pieces, you've got just about everything you'd ever need to grill the best meal of your life. While these pieces aren't made entirely of stainless steel, 95% stainless steel, 5% plastic, these tools are still heavy-duty, glossy, tarnish and rust-resistant and long-lastingly durable. You'll never have to worry about your grill accessories and tools rusting, bending, or breaking. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, excluding the thermometer. This grill tool set has everything you need from prep work to serving. You'll find salt and pepper shakers, barbecue mats, a meat thermometer, even steak knives and forks. These great extras are in addition to the grilling essentials like a serrated spatula and tongs, of course. This kit would be especially great for camping trips because of the bonus tools included. Like the previous kits, these tools can be stored in the handy carrying case. The durable aluminum case contains Velcro and elastic belts to keep tools organized, has handy latch locks and an ergonomic handle. However, if you feel like you don't need a case, it's important to note your most essential barbeque tools come with an ergonomically designed handle and a hanging hook so they can be stored outside of the case. Whether you need to grill dinner for your family this week or are planning your next get-together with friends, the comprehensive barbeque utensil kit has everything you need for your next cookout. Like, comment and subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.